My name is Brenna Clancy-Stevens, and I am the facility supervisor for Assumption Catholic School. And we are standing in one of our newly renovated classrooms. It is new and refreshed because of Robinson Hardwoods had blessed us with this fantastic LVP flooring. This is the last classroom in the last, I think, 3 or 4 years that we have done. And the classrooms have held up wonderfully to the daily traffic throughout the school. So it's been fantastic. I feel really blessed to have had the opportunity to work with Robinson. They are very easy, and yet they have the emphasis on high quality and attention to detail, which we need. It's been easygoing, and at the same time, I can trust that they're gonna give us a finished product that everyone's happy with. I absolutely recommend Robinson to many others, as well as family and friends, and I feel like we've had such a great relationship with them in the last 3 or 4 years that absolutely highly recommend.